When it comes to traveling, safety is a paramount concern for many people. While both flying and driving are common modes of transportation, scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports the notion that flying is significantly safer than driving. This article delves into the reasons behind this conclusion, drawing on various studies and statistical data. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from a study conducted by MIT researchers, which shows that commercial flight has become roughly twice as safe each decade since the 1960s. The risk of a fatality from commercial air travel was 1 per every 13.7 million passenger boardings globally in the 2018 to 2022 period. A significant improvement from 1 per 7.9 million boardings in the 2008 to 2017 period. In contrast, the risk of a fatality from car accidents remains substantially higher. According to data from the US Transportation Department, fewer people were hurt or killed each year while flying than riding in passenger cars and trucks from 2002 to 2022. Additional statistics highlight the stark difference in safety between flying and driving. For instance, in 2022, passengers in cars and trucks were injured at a rate of 42 per 100 million miles traveled, while for air travel it was only 0.007 per 100 million miles. The fatality rate for people traveling by air was 0.003 deaths per 100 million miles traveled, compared to 0.57 deaths per 100 million miles for those in passenger cars and trucks. The aviation industry has seen remarkable technological advancements that have contributed to its safety. Modern aircraft are equipped with sophisticated navigation systems, autopilot features, and advanced communication tools that enhance safety. Additionally, rigorous maintenance protocols and regular safety checks ensure that aircraft are in optimal condition before every flight. These advancements have led to a continuous decline in the number of aviation accidents over the years. Pilots undergo extensive training and are required to meet stringent qualifications before they can operate commercial aircraft. This training includes simulations of various emergency scenarios, ensuring that pilots are well prepared to handle any situation that may arise during a flight. Furthermore, the aviation industry is heavily regulated. These regulations ensure that airlines adhere to the highest safety standards. In comparison, obtaining a driver's license involves a much less rigorous process. Driver training typically includes understanding traffic laws, basic vehicle maintenance, and developing safe driving habits. The licensing process includes a written test and a practical driving test, which is generally much less comprehensive compared to pilot training. Air travel operates in a highly controlled environment. Air traffic controllers monitor and manage the movement of aircraft, ensuring safe distances between planes and providing guidance during takeoff, flight, and landing. This level of control significantly reduces the likelihood of accidents. In contrast, driving involves navigating through unpredictable traffic conditions, weather changes, and the behavior of other drivers, all of which increase the risk of accidents. Safety measures for both flying and driving can vary significantly between countries. For instance, countries with stringent aviation regulations and well-funded air traffic control systems tend to have lower accident rates. On the other hand, road safety measures can vary widely. Countries with strict traffic laws, rigorous enforcement, and well-maintained infrastructure tend to have lower rates of road accidents. For example, Sweden's Vision Zero initiative, which aims to eliminate all traffic fatalities and severe injuries, has been highly successful in reducing road deaths. In contrast, countries with less stringent traffic regulations and poorer road conditions often see higher rates of traffic accidents. Pilots are subject to stringent alcohol and drug testing regulations to ensure safety. The aviation regulators require pilots to undergo pre-employment, random, post-accident, reasonable cause suspicion, return to duty and follow-up testing. Pilots must have a breath alcohol test result below 0.04 to perform flight duties, and any violation results in immediate removal from duty and referral for education or treatment. In conclusion, flying is statistically much safer than driving due to a combination of technological advancements, rigorous pilot training, stringent regulations, and a highly controlled environment. While the fear of flying is common, the scientific evidence clearly shows that air travel continues to become safer with each passing decade. So the next time you board a plane, you can take comfort in knowing that you are choosing one of the safest modes of transportation available. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Fasten your seatbelt and join us for more high-flying, informative content.